And welcome back. Today we will get rid of neck and head stiffness with this unique and incredibly effective massage technique. First you need to get a towel, hold it like this and place it on your neck. Let your neck fall back on it and I promise you will be extremely relaxed and get absolutely tense free. In order to improve stiffness of the head, the stiffness must be elevated from the neck. Slowly draw as large circle as possible with the neck. Move your neck clockwise and counterclockwise 3 times. Rotate 3 times in one direction to gently relax the head. Same method to relax in the opposite direction. Those who have a lot of swelling and stiffness in the neck, if you support your neck with a towel, as shown in this video, there is less risk of injury. Now turn your head to the side to check the sternocleidomastoid and from there gently look at the 5 points with your hands and lower it on both sides. Then stretch the sternocleidomastoid muscle. Turn your head and press the start point of the sternocleidomastoid with your fingers to fix it. If there is a particularly hard and stiff areas, it is recommended to loosen them more thoroughly. Proceed in the same way on the other side as well. One last time, gently pinch and count down. Lift your head upwards 45 degrees and stretch it straight. Release it and stretch it again. Hold for 10 seconds. Repeat this movement 3 times to 5 times on each side. From the front of the ear to the chin. While digging underground, go straight down and repeat. Then use the slope of the thumb to apply it to the skin and sweep it down 5 times like this. Feel the feeling of rubbing the bones, hold it in close contact with it and sweep it. Now use the slopes of both thumbs to press and shake the forehead. Relax it. This is the area where the stress accumulates. The forehead tends to become uneven. Now with the heel of your palm, relax the upper part of the back of the head by rubbing it on the sides. Release it by pressing down on the point and shaking it up and down. Use the same method to release the other side as well. Those who have flat back of the head should loosen the back stone thoroughly. For 5 to 10 seconds per point, release it and if it is open or painful, take time to release it till it becomes softer. Now with the heel of your palm, massage both sides of the head like this. Loosen the other side as well in the same way. If there is an area that feels stiff or painful, take time to loosen it up more gently. Continue to loosen the sides. Since there are many parts, you need to loosen them carefully. Just by stimulating the muscles and sagittal lines of the skull, throughout the head, circulation in both areas is improved and the waste toxins are discharged actively. This relieves tension and makes the muscles soft. Place your fingertips on your temple and rotate clockwise 3 times, counterclockwise 3 times. Repeat again. Do not apply strong pressure with your hands to the bone. Then gently tap your muscles with your fingertips 20 to 30 times. This movement is quite relaxing. Press on this point on the center line of the head. Inhale and then do this. While exhaling, go down, press on the center line of your head with clasped palm for 5 seconds and release. Repeat this movement in 3 to 5 turns. Now entangle your fingers and place your palm flat on your head, back and exhale. Squeeze for 5 seconds and then release. Come up. Repeat the movement 10 times. Close your eyes and feel the air coming out. Squeeze in, hold for 5 seconds and release. Now place your fingertips on your forehead and sweep them like this, starting from the eyebrows through the crown of the head to the back. It improves the stiffness of the scalp. You must press the loop and sweep it with numerous sensations. Once you have done, press it all the way to the end and sweep it. Apply force in the direction of bringing it together for 5 seconds, release. I hope it was helpful. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Keep pampering. Bye.